Welcome to yet another enlightening video. But before we dive in, do us a favor. Click that subscribe button and join our community of organization enthusiasts. Today, we have a real treat for you. We'll be sharing the top 5 tips for efficient pantry organization. These tips will not only save you time, but also make your meal preparation an absolute breeze. So, are you ready to transform your pantry into a haven of organization? Let's jump right in. Tip number 1, categorize your items. This is the foundation of an efficiently organized pantry. Think of your pantry as a library where similar items are grouped together. Each category has its designated place. This not only streamlines your meal prep, but also makes sure that no ingredient is left unattended or forgotten in some corner. It's like giving your pantry a map, a guide to a well-organized culinary journey. So remember, a well-categorized pantry is the first step to meal prep made easy. Moving on to tip number 2, utilize clear storage containers. These transparent vessels are a game changer. They let you see exactly what you have and how much of it remains. No more guessing games or unnecessary purchases, folks. Clear storage containers not only elevate the look of your pantry, but also provide an easy way to monitor your inventory. It's like having a visual shopping list right in your pantry. So make the switch to clear containers and see the difference it makes. Now on to tips 3 and 4. Label everything and keep frequently used items accessible. The magic of labels lies in their ability to eliminate guesswork. Imagine the frustration of reaching for paprika only to discover it's chili powder, or searching high and low for your favorite cereal only to find it hidden behind lesser-used items. Labels save you from these pantry pitfalls. They make meal prep a breeze, helping you identify items at a glance. Now let's talk about accessibility. Having your frequently used items within arm's reach is a game changer. It streamlines your meal prep process, shaving off precious minutes, and who doesn't want to save time in the kitchen? Position your often used items at eye level or in the front row of your pantry, and you'll notice the difference. So, grab a marker, start labeling, and rearrange your pantry for maximum efficiency. No more playing hide and seek with your ingredients. It's time to make your pantry work for you. Finally, tip number 5, regularly review and clean your pantry. This is crucial to eliminate expired items and maintain order. It keeps your pantry clutter-free, ensuring only fresh, usable items are at your disposal. So, schedule regular pantry reviews and cleanses, and you'll never have to deal with expired or forgotten items again. And there you have it, our top 5 tips for efficient pantry organization. These simple techniques streamline your meal prep, making it stress-free. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more organization hacks. Until next time, happy organizing!